Look what I found. 2 nice apple trees. And they are really nice. It's a pity, really. Could make good apple juice from it. So, maybe you remember my video. Nature provides you with everything. And that's what I experienced when I started walking in March. I had so many opportunities to pick berries or to eat herbs, and I didn't really need to take provision to take food with me. So in summer then the berries and the raspberries, and all summer round you are provided. You can eat from nature. You don't need to carry 20 kilos of food with you. So I really learned that I don't need to be afraid when I ran out of food or run out of money. I just need to go into nature and pick what I need. Oh wow. And I don't mean go and pick a neighbor's garden. No, that's not the point. Go and pick in nature, in the woods. There's plenty.